Hello, my name is Siti Nobalkis binti Rosli. My student ID is 2023619508. My group is AS1201#. My code program is AS120. Introduction of this video is about the reaction of volcano or volcano eruption. That's right, it's about volcano and it is one of the destruction of nature or people might claim as the most dangerous things in the world. In this video, I will explain about how the volcano eruption happened and what caused of the volcano eruption. I will also explain it using chemistry logically. I will make an experiment using the things in my kitchen and show you guys the volcano eruption. Background of volcano eruption. General overview. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of planetary mass object, such as Earth, that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. The information of volcano eruption is according to the Global Volcanism Program. There are currently 47 volcanoes in continuing eruption status as of 50 December 2023. An eruption marked as continuing does not always mean persistent daily activity, but indicates at least intermittent eruptive events without a break of 3 months or more. There are typically 40 to 50 continuing eruptions, and out of those, generally around 20 will be actively erupting on any particular day. Additional annual eruption data is available for recent years. The most recently started eruption is at the top, continuing as of the last known activity date. An eruption list here might have ended since the last data update, or at the update time affirmed end date and not yet been determined due to potential renewed activity. My project timeline, early December, is I prepared the things that I needed to do for this experiment. I buy and find things that's suitable to make an example of volcano eruption. Then, in mid-December, I made the volcano using the things that I buy and find. Also make a realistic volcano to make sure that this experiment is gonna be successful and easy to understand how the volcano eruption happened. Lastly, early January, I made the slide and explained what the cause of volcano eruption by using things that I got in my kitchen. For example of volcano eruption in real life, the apparatus that I'm using for this experiment is soap, vinegar, food coloring, and bicarbonate of soda. The video earlier showed the real-life volcano eruption that happened at Krakatau, Indonesia. It's one of volcano that's still active till this day, and it might eruption anytime and any days. So you can see that the volcano eruption is really dangerous and can cause a very worse impact to humanity. That video is an example of volcano eruption that happened in real life.
Dia tak meletup tu. Maksudnya ini pun complicated juga ni. Kau kat lagi. Kau keluarkan angin pula. Macam tengok jadi cara rakaman tu. Dah lantak lah sana. Busuk baik. Kau kentut malas nak mandi tapi dimas. Kali cik dah.
As the result, and as you can see, the volcano might seem slower, but at the same time, it's really dangerous for human being when the volcano eruption in real life happen. Even it's low, it's really dangerous, and the lava reach 1000 degrees Celsius. It's really hot, and if the lava touch human skin, it will melt or be seriously injured. But since this is only an experiment, it doesn't harm anyone while I'm doing this. It's really magnificent when the lava came out from the top. The combination of vinegar and sodium bicarbonate really can make an explosion happen. My first goal for this experiment is to make sure that this experiment went very well and successful. And my second goal is to make sure that the explanation that I explained in this video is easy to understand and related about the experiment. In conclusion, the experiment went well and there's no accident happened while I'm doing the experiment. All the things that I'm using was related to chemistry. Now I know that all the things around us related to science and we can use it to make a lot of experiment. With this, my volcano eruption experiment was done and run smoothly.